Hobby 2 pops of breaks. It is Saturday, March the 27th. We're breaking Bombbox full-size helmets. We randomed up our 40 remaining boxes, and sort of fitting, we got box 27 on the 27th. We did random teams for it. On your left, teams, customers, been randomized, alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade, but it doesn't seem like anybody's in a trade mood tonight. So here we go. Very early in the series. We still got 40 boxes left. We just started it yesterday. Well, somebody should have took him up on the offer, guys. Bam! Going to be the 49ers. So that is going to be a Jason Hill. He did offer to trade him away. Jason Ragtag will probably be interested in this helmet. He has been looking for one. So, yep, if you let Ragtag know, he might be interested in this. Oops, if I can get it. There's a damn package there. Okay. Bam! Going to be the George Kittle Eclipse F7. Nice thing. Whoop, your pants sort of fell out there. Let me get that back in. Jesus, I don't know how these things fall out like that. Things being a pain in the ass. Well, I'll put it back in a second after we get done with our recording here. Oh, come on. All right, I'll fix it when we get done with the recording here real quick. Bam, going to be the Kittle Beckett card and sticker on that. I know that was Jason because I had mentioned that he offered them for trade. Said they were sort of a loaded spot, fellas. Boxes in shit shape. It's a Hill hit. Kittle. Sky, that was Kittle. Jason A. Hill in the Facebook group hit it. All right, let me execute it. You guys can also call out your keeps there. Let me get you reloaded since we ran our filler there. I'm gonna pull one of Jason's out. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Well, J-Mix is going to get both of the qualifiers. Well, but Jason kind of break, I guess. One Jason took the helmet, the other Jason took the qualifiers there, folks. It is qualifiers 11 and 12. We're only 6 boxes into our 45 box series. Step on by.